Hi there, welcome to another week of Counter-Strike game and skin market update. This is Skinomics2 and this video covers the 12th to 18th of August 2024. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's headlines. There was no large event to report this week, but I have collated 4 small news items that I wish to share. Firstly, the Copenhagen major sales ended. This marked the longest sticker sale period ever, at a staggering 110 days. Previous record was held by the Paris major sticker sales, which lasted 106 days. The longer sale period meant huge volume, which is likely to impact sticker sales for a long time to come. As expected, the price is already declining after shooting up a tiny bit this week. For the stickers to become profitable, it will take a long time for investors. Next, I want to touch on Deadlock, which saw its player numbers climb significantly this week. The reason why I want to bring an update to this is because I think the Deadlock skins market, when it eventually releases, may have a significant impact on the Counter-Strike skin market. I will also endeavour to cover skins in this game when it comes out. Stay tuned for it. Our third headline of the week involves the ongoing IEM Cologne. This is not a pro scene focused channel, but I had to cover this one. FaZe came back from 11-1 against Liquid for what is probably the biggest comeback in Tier 1 Counter-Strike in a long time. The highlights are an interesting watch if you are interested. Last headline of the week, which is more of a light-heart moment, is that a bloke unboxed a Doppler Urus during IEM Cologne on screen, which is an amazing sight. Clip ahead.
Long-standing cause and going a long way today. Oh Yo! My goodness!
Yo! It's good as well!
Blessed by the cathedral!
Moving on, let's now take a look at our weekly craft idea. What I have is a craft using Rob's Copenhagen major stickers since they are now so cheap. By lining up 5 Rob stickers with the second and fourth one upside down, you can form a cool heartbreak pattern. The paper versions of the stickers are like 2 US cents each. The craft can be done on any gun, but I do recommend smaller weapons like the Glock or MP9 as the pattern can fill the entire gun this way. Taking a look now at the skins market, the market is up again this week for the 4th week in a row by 3.02%. Hooray to everyone invested. Looking now at the trade volume, the volume of the trade on Buff this week has increased, which can explain why the market has experienced a rally. More people are trading, which means more people are interested. Let's see if the numbers can sustain themselves. Thanks again to iTrade.gg for the data. Breaking the market movement down into categories. Starting off, knives and gloves increased slightly this week, with the knock gloves doubling their price within 12 months now. Higher tiered weapon skins remain flat, apart from the Cyrix which dropped by almost 5%. Agent skins are the driver of the market this week, with Sir Bloody Miami gaining over 13%. Last but not least, we saw affordable weapon skins gaining significantly as well. Now looking at case unboxing numbers, we saw case unboxings remain at above 7 million, and this is with player numbers remaining steady in the past week. The case unboxing numbers translated into non-active cases prices remaining mostly steady, although the weapon case saw an increase of 4.21%. Active cases were relatively steady as well this week. The fracture case gained 7.69%. Let's now take a peek at this week's biggest winners and losers. In winners, we saw Karrigan's 2017 sticker jump massively after their match against Liquid that had the impossible comeback. We also saw the B Squadron Officer Agent steadily increasing in price over the past month. The skin has the best dark sleeves according to most skin enthusiasts, and has been the driver of recent agent price increases. Lastly, we also saw the Zentaris Gold from the Antwerp Major increasing in price sharply, although I actually do not know the cause for this. It might have to do with certain crafts. In losers, the top 2 are both previous winners, with the after image being a top winner from last week. As I have previously stated, negative momentum seems to be a phenomenon here, whereby skins that have increased in value recently have a large chance at decline, and vice versa. Moving on now to the top trades of the week. All 3 top trades were Butterfly Knife Emeralds in the 00 wares, going for 16 to 18,000 US dollars. This is the most expensive item in the game without a special pattern like Blue Gems. Hence, it is not a surprise to see it dominate like this. Taking a look now at game news, there was one update this week which saw bug fixes and an adjustment into tagging effects on players. This will reduce teleportation issues when your ping is higher. Next, turning our attention to the pro scene. IEM Cologne's final is to be played between Na'Vi and Vitality. Despite FaZe's heroic comeback, they lost against Portuguese dark horse Soar. In transfers and other pro scene news this week, we saw Onopixel, the famous streamer, assemble a team for the Shanghai Major as the coach. The Major's roster deadline is 7th of September. We might see some last minute changes coming as well. That was all for this week. Reminder to check out my Discord server as well as liking and subscribing. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next one. Bye.